Howdy folks, welcome back. So the seed site has just downloaded some data, and here we are. It's September 8th today of 2020, and here's our loop running, and I'm going to let that run for a couple of times to see if you guys can spot what's going on in there before I start pointing stuff out. So we'll let it take one more pass, and then we'll zoom in and start pointing some stuff out for you there. Okay, here we've zoomed in, got a little closer. I'll let it make a couple more passes. If you watch the instrumentation and how it's reacting to these objects here, I think it kind of gives it away a little bit. Okay, now for those of you who can't see what's going on here, there appears to be at least two objects in this pass here. This first jet coming out around this first one, I'm going to pause it right here. Okay, this first round object right here is getting blasted with stuff, and material plasma is going over it faster than it's moving out. The instrument's reacting to this first one here, and then as we go forward here, you can see a secondary object coming out from behind right here. And then the instrumentation jumps back and reacts to this one now. And you can make out this round circular stuff. This is what we were looking at earlier today on the other instruments. Okay, here I got you at the very first frame at 0-100, and we're going to start going frame by frame. Here you can see this is our first round objects right here, and the ejecta is coming out and going around it, over the top, around the sides, and then flaring off the end of it right over here, and that's the instrument reacting to it. And then as we go, it moves out. There's still stuff rotating over it, and then comes this secondary object here. Now you can see how the instrument has jumped back and is now reacting to this secondary shock wave or whatever. And then it all moves out. Now I'm going to put it back into motion. Now as we watch, this second object seems to dip down in. It seems to come from up here and dip in real quick right after the first one passes. So the first one passes, leaving this wake behind, and this one dips into the wake. Okay, here I've slowed it down so you can see the motion a little better. I want you to focus on the front one for one pass, and then the back one for another pass. On the front one, look at the ejecta going over it and around it, how fast it's going around it. And then on the second try, look at this one over here now, and how it drops down and into the wake of this first one. Right there, yeah. Okay, so that was some data that we got on the same incident I reported on earlier today, and here's our other angle on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you all, and I got a lot more that just came out to go through, so expect some more videos here soon. I love you all, and until my next video, bye.